Today, November 6th, let's take a look at TradeWave and see what the algorithm has picked by checking it over 1 trillion data points for us for today, November 6th. So we go to the TradeWave opportunities table over here. We put 2-55. That means I want opportunities that last between 2 and 55 days only. The top one, MSI, Motorola Solutions. Oh my God, look at that staggering Sharpe Ratio of 4.21. This has been the craziest, most consistent opportunity I've seen in a while. We don't usually get Sharpe Ratios that high. That means the risk is fairly low. Look at it. It made 4.56% in 2023, 4.09. And whenever you see the Sharpe Ratio being this high, that means year to year was very consistent. It's only 4.29%. However, let's look at the stats table. This is a $458 stock. That's what was closed on the 4th. So whenever the stock prices are so incredibly high, if you're doing options, because they make the options fairly close in price to each other, so you can probably get pretty decent option income when the price of a stock is this high and you're this incredibly consistent. So I am going with MSI for today as our top pick. Let's go back over here and take a look at the trend chart. Look at this. It is going very nicely up, and it goes straight to the 28th of November, and after that it drops. I don't really like this drop, but that consistency is crazy. So let's see what happened if we actually went there. So you can see that 5 out of the last 10 years would have been negative from the 28th until 19th of January, which is not what we really care about. We just care about this section. Let's take a look. And this is it. I haven't seen anything this good in a long time, although our average profit is only 4.29%. Let's take a look at a couple of other ones. How about Toll Brothers? Toll Brothers had a losing year in 2018 in this date range, which is from November 6th until November 26th. If we click on MFE here, we also can see what was the extent of the price that actually went. So for example, when you see the light green section, means the price went up this high. If you magically knew when to sell exactly at the high, you would have made 4.6 plus 3.73%. In this case, it went up 1.15% before it dropping and losing 0.3%. So even this one, Toll Brothers, is pretty good with a pretty decent 5.79%. WD40 is still up there, but the Sharpe Ratio is a little bit lower than if you got in earlier. This is it for November 6th.